Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something seriously powerful, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16, 2025, Copilot Plus PC Gaming Laptop. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the latest pricing, availability, and exclusive deals. And if you enjoy honest, in-depth reviews like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Collision emoji, first impressions. Right out of the box, the TUF A16 screams durability and style. ASUS sticks to their tried-and-true military-grade build quality, it's rugged without being bulky, and the clean matte finish gives it that stealthy, gamer-meets-professional look. The 16-inch, 1610 display is gorgeous. We're talking about a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate, crisp QHD resolution, and great color accuracy. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or editing videos, this display keeps up without a sweat. Gear emoji, specs that mean business. Let's talk internals, and they're seriously impressive. CPU, AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370, one of the most powerful mobile processors of 2025. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, perfect for ray tracing, 1440p gaming, and creative workflows. RAM, 32GB LPDDR5X, fast, efficient, and plenty for multitasking. Storage, 1TB C Gen 4.0 SSD, fast boot-ups, near-instant loading times. Wi-Fi 6E, ultra-fast wireless for low-latency gaming. OS, Windows 11 with Copilot Plus integration, AI-powered productivity and gaming enhancements. With these specs, I was able to run Cyberpunk 2077 on Ultra with ray tracing, and still get above 80 FPS consistently. Rendering 4K video? Done. Multitasking across heavy apps? Smooth as silk. Brain emoji, AI and Copilot Plus, more than just a buzzword. This year, Copilot Plus really shines. Whether you're using voice commands to control system settings, generating content with AI tools, or streamlining your workflow with smart suggestions, the ASUS TUF A16 takes full advantage of Microsoft's AI ecosystem and AMD's onboard AI engine. It's not just a gimmick, it's genuinely helpful. Battery emoji, battery and cooling. Battery life is solid for a gaming rig, expect 6 to 8 hours with light to moderate use, and around 2 to 3 hours under heavy load. ASUS's cooling system does an excellent job keeping things under control. Dual fans, heat pipes, and smart thermal profiles mean it runs cool and quiet, even when pushed. Headphone emoji, ports and audio. Plenty of ports here, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, and even Ethernet, no dongles needed. The speakers are surprisingly decent, with Dolby Atmos support. Still, I'd recommend a good headset for immersive gameplay. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The ASUS TUF Gaming A16, 2025, is one of the best value premium gaming laptops you can get this year. It brings flagship-level performance, AI smarts, and future-ready specs at a price that's more than fair. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just want a high-powered laptop that won't slow down anytime soon, this one is a no-brainer. Speech bubble emoji. Let me know in the comments, is this your next gaming laptop? Down pointing finger emoji, check out the link below for current deals and more info. Bell emoji, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future reviews. Catch you in the next one, peace.